Top headlines for the day.
Thank you.
No, it's fun, yaar. This is the way we are normally also. So it is nice to have extended it. So we really had fun.
It was good fun. It was really good fun. And the theme is friendship. So who better than him and me to host it?
Do it, yeah.
How has your friendship evolved over the years? You guys have known each other right from the beginning of your career. So
Yeah.
now, anything that you would like to say? There have been ups, there have been downs, but you guys have stuck around with each other together.
It happens with everyone. Just that when it happens with us, so much of bakheda has been created on that. And this हमारा इसमें कुछ नहीं है. हमारा इसमें कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है. इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन और कुछ चाहने वालों का भी.
हमने तो इतना बड़ा पंगा भी नहीं किया था.
कुछ
हम खुद ही डर गए उसके बाद.
Another fight? Huh? Yeah, that's also possible. Amir also hosting.
हम तो आता नहीं ना यार अवार्ड फंक्शन.
He doesn't go.
Shahrukh, your performance in Music was really appreciated. He has also done extremely well in the performance.
नो यार मैं क्या बोलूँ. गौरी एंड आलिया's थिंग. मैं तो उसमें छोटा सा हिस्सा हूँ. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इट्स टर्न्ड आउट वेल. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था दैट आई शुड मेक श्योर दैट आई स्टैंड अप टू देयर एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई कुड डू दैट.
बहुत लंबा अर्सा हो गया. बहुत लंबा अर्सा हो गया. आज ऐसा प्लान है कि साथ में कभी नजर आएंगे.
हो जाएगा.
वो भी हो ही जाएगा यार.
हो जाएगा.
यहीं पर है. कोई ना कोई फिल्म लाएगा. कोई ना कुछ हम कर ही लेंगे जरूर इंशाल्लाह.
कोई अच्छा राइटर, विद्वान राइटर को अच्छा कुछ लेके आएगा
और कोई
तो जरूर करेंगे.
पेशेंट डायरेक्टर डालेगा.
बहुत ही पेशेंट डायरेक्टर वो फिल्म हो जाएगी. आई डोंट नो. कोई है दिमाग में लेकिन बताएंगे नहीं आप.
अभी नहीं बताया.
अभी नहीं बताएंगे. जी हाँ.
हम दोनों कॉफ़ी इतनी पीते नहीं है यार. तो हम
इतना ज़्यादा इट वाज फन कि सोहेल और अरबाज और मैं हम तीनों भाई चले गए थे. तो जितनी मेरी पोल खोलनी थी उन दोनों ने खोल ली. अब इससे ज़्यादा कुछ बचता नहीं है.
Shahrukh, fans are also eagerly awaiting the release of Raees. How excited are you?
इंशाल्लाह यार सबको अच्छी लगेगी. अभी बस बन गई है, ख़त्म हो गई है. तो 7 तारीख को ट्रेलर है. सो होपफुली एवरीबॉडी लाइक इट यार. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है यार. जैसा ये सलमान ने बोला आप लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं यार. कुछ भी नहीं है. फिल्म है. थोड़ा टाइम लग गया उसमें क्योंकि चोट लग गई थी. तो अब आ रही है तो अच्छी सी रिलीज़ हो जाए और सबको पसंद आए.
वो सब ये सब जो होता है ना वो इम्पल्सिवली होता है. इसमें कोई सोचते समझते नहीं है. इम्पल्सिवली होता है. कुछ में सही चले जाते हैं, ज़्यादा में सही जा रहे हैं. कुछ एक आध में गलत चला जाते हैं. तो यही है. बट देयर इज नो स्ट्रैटेजी इन्वॉल्वड इन पब्लिसाइजिंग अ फिल्म. किसी के पास एक आइडिया आ गया, किसी के पास दूसरा आइडिया, खुद का एक आध कुछ आ गया, किसी को हाँ कह दिया, किसी को ना कह दिया. दिस इज़ द ओनली वे दैट वी promote it. And also हम लोग फिल्म की अवेयरनेस फैलाते हैं कि इस डेट के ऊपर ये फिल्म आने वाली है. जो कि हमारे फैंस हैं उनको तो ऐसे पता ही चल जाता है कि कब रिलीज़ होनी फिल्म से.
और ये बहुत ये नंबर 1 होना चाहिए यार. मैं ये फील करता हूँ. ये जेन्युइनली हैंडसमनेस में नंबर 1 होना चाहिए.
और क्या ये क्या है?
कि हैंडसमनेस में तो नंबर 6 आया.
नंबर हाफ.
राजू इधर
Thank you. Thank you.
Shahrukh, fans are also eagerly awaiting the release of Race. How excited are you at that point?
इंशाल्लाह यार सबको अच्छी लगेगी. अभी बस बन गई है, ख़त्म हो गई है. तो 7 तारीख को ट्रेलर है. सो होपफुली एवरीबॉडी लाइक इट यार. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है यार, जैसा ये सलमान ने बोला, आप लोग ऐसा सोचते हो यार, कुछ भी नहीं है. फिल्म है, थोड़ा टाइम लग गया उसमें क्योंकि चोट लग गई थी. सो अब आ रही है तो अच्छी सी रिलीज़ हो जाए और सबको पसंद आए.
वो सब ये सब जो होता है ना, वो इम्पल्सिवली होता है.
हाँ,
इसमें कोई सोचते समझते नहीं है, इम्पल्सिवली होता है. कुछ में सही चले जाते हैं, ज़्यादा में सही जा रहे हैं, कुछ एक आध में गलत चला जाते हैं. तो यही है. बट देयर इज नो स्ट्रैटेजी इन्वॉल्वड इन पब्लिसाइजिंग अ फिल्म. किसी के पास एक आइडिया आ गया, किसी के पास दूसरा आइडिया, खुद का एक आध कुछ आ गया, किसी को हाँ कह दिया, किसी को ना कह दिया. दिस इज़ द ओनली वे दैट वी promote it. And also हम लोग फिल्म की अवेयरनेस फैलाते हैं कि इस डेट के ऊपर ये फिल्म आने वाली है. जो कि हमारे फैंस हैं उनको तो ऐसे पता ही चल जाता है कि कब रिलीज़ होनी फिल्म.
Well, the shooting of Salman Khan's starrer Tube Light is at its full pace. Yet our beautiful stars take out time from shooting to have some fun moments too. Recently, Chinese doll Zuzu, who's co-starring Salman himself in the film, was spotted having a few fun-filled jiffy along with also adorable director Kabir Khan. The smiling faces revealed how well the film is going. Their enthusiastic temperament in the making of the movie surely does leave us even more excited. The sneakety-peekety of stars with their crew members and the engaging countenances brings us a bright sense of exhilaration too, isn't it? Zuzu, the winsome darling of everyone at the set, might be seen donning some ethnic Indian wear in the film. Fans are electrified to see the sparkling chemistry between Zuzu and our very own Bhaijan. So guys, what do you think? Do comment below and share your thoughts with us. It's sizzling Saturday around, तो party तो बनती है ना? The leading lady of Kabir Khan's Tube Light Zuzu had a gala time partying along with the crew members. She looked ever sprightly, exuberant and trumped this Saturday in Mumbai style. The dolly is also a party animal? That sounds exciting, है ना? Kabir Khan seems to be a doting director who likes to give plentiful time to his crew members with open hands. Oh, but wait, where is Salman Bhai? We guess he's busy promoting his alleged lady love Ulia Vantur's Every Night and Day song. Don't you guys think so? Maybe this is why he did not join his team for the Saturday blast. Either ways, fans are only excited to see Bhaijan diffuse his magic in the film. Tube Light will release on 25th of June 2017. Already excited? How about sharing your excitement with us in the comment section down below? Oh my god! Superstar Salman Khan fans are not only damdar but are diligent too. One such Salu fan has proved his loyalty and affection for Bhai lately. This creative heart love went ahead and made a marvelous Tube Light poster for him, and it's dope. The tenacious edge of the poster displays to the world the zealous dedication that fans have for their Dabang Khan. Bhaijan now surely has something to flaunt. No wonder our Super Khan deserves all this adulation and his fans' earnest attention. He has always baffled and astonished us with his performances. The active and driven lifestyle and work style that he has is surely inspiring. isn't it? We wonder if Salman Bhai will make it an official poster very soon. Fans are eagerly waiting for his reaction. Well, we are sure he must have felt overwhelmed. Tube Light will release on 25th of June 2017. So guys, what do you think? Do comment below and share your thoughts with us.
The clock of Dosti Dushmani has taken a turn for our beloved Karan Arjun. They have been seen a lot together lately. The social media PDA also looks in its full swing. This time around, both the Super Khans Shah Rukh and Salman were spotted at the Star Screen award shoot. Shall we expect some of their rollicking performance together? Whoa, it gives us goosebumps. The Jani Dushmani turned Jigni Dosti doesn't even mind posing together for fans. The stars hang out with each other and also attend parties and functions hand in hand. Friendship goals, huh? Salman Khan, like a true yar, has been promoting all the Shah Rukh Khan films and even walked an extra mile to be present at the first look launch of Shah Rukh Anushka starrer Rainy Day. Coming together of both the stars has delighted fans in and out. What do you guys think? Don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts with us.
फैंस है तो सुपरस्टार है, फैंस नहीं तो सुपरस्टार नहीं. Well, this is pretty true, and the relevance of fan following in the lives of superstar is of crucial importance. And शायद इसीलिए the Khans of Bollywood leave no stone unturned to keep their fans happy. Well, we told you already that four-turn friends Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan will be hosting Star Screen Awards together. Well, during the shoot, Badshah and Bhaijan were spotted celebrating their fans' birthday. Yes guys, check these pictures of our very own Karan and Arjun making their fans' special day a really special one. I am sure this pyara effort on the part of these two stars would have given this fan happiness of his lifetime. Don't you guys think the same? Well, what are your thoughts about this? Comment below about what you feel of this beautiful effort taken by Shah Rukh and Sallu. The release of Kaabil is almost a month away, and Hrithik Roshan is leaving no stone unturned to pique the audience interest around the film. Recently, Hrithik has unveiled the new poster of Kaabil on Twitter with the tagline, "Some have eyes but they can't see. Some can see but they don't have eyes. See you on 25th January 2017. The poster and the tagline sounds too mysterious, है ना? As we all know, Kaabil will be clashing with Shah Rukh Khan's Raees on the box office. So have you decided which film gonna rule your Republic Day? What do you think guys about this new poster of Kaabil? Isn't it mysterious enough to increase your curiosity about this Hrithik Roshan and Yami Gautam starrer romantic action thriller? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. Bollywood celebs and rumors about them go hand in hand. This time, the rumor arrow struck Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. A hoax WhatsApp message of Aishwarya's attempt to commit suicide is doing the rounds. If you too have received any such jape message, then remember it is just a bluff to you. The message says that due to persistent squabble and dispute in the Bachchan Khandan regarding Aishwarya's intimate scenes with Ranbir in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil made her eccentric to the level that she tried to commit suicide. The story has also stated that the most beautiful women in the world consumed excessive tranquilizer. The gossip didn't end here. It further dramatized, stating that Bachchan came to know about her suicidal plans and immediately called the doctor. Well, whoever cooked up this fake story must be hired as a script writer in Bollywood. What say guys? Comment below and share your thoughts with us.
Well, the world is swooning after Ranveer Singh. He's all crazy for Salman Khan. Hell yeah! Our Bajirao is a huge Salman fan, just like all of us. Recently, our hot Peshwa has made some interesting revelation. He says that he has been a huge fan of Salman Mia for a good 3 decades. Yes, he has no inhibition in admitting that Salman Khan is a superstar in real sense. Ranveer Singh has come up and said head on that he has a playlist dedicated to Salman Khan. Well, now that's pretty interesting, isn't it? We didn't really know that Ranveer is a massive Salman fan, hai na? It would really be interesting to know what Salman Bhai has to say about this. Sure, he must be flattered. We hope to see the senior star and the junior star shine brightly together. So guys, what do you think? Do comment below and share your valuable thoughts with us.